This is how to remove the rear lamp unit and change a bulb on your Vauxhall Corsa D. This one's a 2008 model with this type of light on it. It's the same for both sides. I'll show you how to do the offside. So we're in the boot, parcel shelf's out. We're going to take out the inspection panel and expose the back of the light. And we've got these two screws here that we're going to undo. That's it for in here. Now the lamp unit on the outside is held in by a plastic plug that pushes into that grommet there. And what we're going to do, one of these trim removal tools, and just below here, where all the lines stop, we're going to slide it in there, pull it towards the front, the back, sorry, pull it towards you, pop, and then that is the lamp unit released. Now, on the back, you don't need to actually unplug it, but just for purposes of this, I'm going to set it down in the boot and show you what's what. So, there's the lamp unit. That's your brake light. That's your indicator, reverse light, side light, fog light. We're changing the brake light today at the top. So, 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip. All need pulling back and removing to get the lamp unit out. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, and then if like this one it's stuck a bit on the seal, it just needs a bit of persuasion and it comes away, and that's what you're left with. That's your brake light. As you can see, it's all nice and black, so that's gone. Simple bayonet push and twist fitting, and then line it back up. One, I think that was 2 actually. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put it back in. So, reconnected the wiring. Like I say, there's actually no need to do that. It's just easier to show you how it's done. We're going to line up that peg with the hole, put the lamp roughly in place, and then clunk, it's in. And then we're back in here to put the 2 screws, one at the bottom, one at the top, click the cover back on, and you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Just like that. Don't forget to test it, and that's your job done.